coming to the next part, angle between two lines. So, first under the line passing through point and parallel vector, second line passing through 2 points. Now, what is the angle between two lines? Given two lines in the angle and that. So, here L1, L2 two lines and P and Q any 2 points on that line, angle between them is theta. So, L1 direction ratios A1, B1, C1, L2 direction ratios A2, B2, C2 ആണെങ്കിൽ the angle between these two lines is cos theta is equal to A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. Angle between two lines is given by cos theta equal to in this form, where A1, B1, C1 direction ratios of the first line, A2, B2, C2 direction ratios of the second line. Now, suppose the two lines are perpendicular, then theta is 90. So, cos 90 0. Denominator cross multiply ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we get when theta is 90 degree, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. This is very important condition. So, when the two lines are perpendicular, A1, A2, sum of the products of the direction ratios is equal to 0. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0, and 1 theta is 0 degree, that is when they are parallel. Parallel വരുമ്പോൾ when they are parallel, then we can say A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2 IQ. Each will be equal to some constant, say lambda. So, when they are parallel, then A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, and when they are perpendicular, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. Now, we are given the equations of two lines. Say R is equal to A1 plus lambda B1, R is equal to A2 plus mu into B2. അതായത് രണ്ട് ലൈൻസ് വെക്റ്റർ ഫോമിൽ തന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. One is A1 plus lambda B1, another one is A2 plus mu into B2. So, what is the angle between the two lines? Then the angle between the two lines is cos theta is equal to B1 dot B2 by modulus B1 into modulus B2. Its magnitude, because here we consider theta as the acute angle. So, cos theta is B1 dot B2 by modulus B1 into modulus B2. അതായത് if the lines are given in the vector form, the angle between the lines is then you have to consider their parallel vectors, B1 dot B2 by modulus B1 into modulus B2. Vector formula തരുമ്പോൾ parallel vectors identify ചെയ്ത് find B1 dot B2 by modulus B1 into modulus B2 and take its absolute value, that is we take only we consider here theta as the acute angle. Now, given in Cartesian form, this is in vector form. Now, given in Cartesian form, we can write this as x minus x1 by a1 equals y minus y1 by b1 equals to z minus z1 by c1. This is one equation of the line. The other one is x minus x2 by a2 equals y minus y2 by b2 equals z minus z2 by c2. The two lines are given in Cartesian form. Cartesian formula തരികയാണെങ്കിൽ what is the angle between the lines? So, cos theta is equal to parallel vectors in the direction ratios. So, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. So, in both cases identify the parallel vectors and their direction ratios. Then cos theta is equal to B1 dot B2 by modulus B1 into modulus B2 kandal, we will get the angle between the two lines. If they are perpendicular, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. Let us take an example. Find the angle between the pair of lines. Find the angle between the lines. Lines ആണ് രണ്ട് lines ആണ് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. And identify the lines are given in vector form. R is equal to A plus lambda B. അതിനകത്ത് പറഞ്ഞ R is equal to A plus mu into B. So, vector formula തന്നാൽ identify the parallel vectors. Parallel vectors ഇവിടെ B1 vector എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് I plus 2j plus 2k and vector B2 another parallel vector, second line parallel vector എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 3i plus 2j plus 6k ആണ്. Now what is the angle between them? Cos theta is equal to B1 dot B2 by modulus B1 modulus B2. It's absolute value, positive, theta, taking theta as the acute angle. So it is what we can define B1 dot B2 to come. B1 dot B2 is 3 plus 4 plus 12 by root of 1 plus 4 plus 4 into root of 9 plus 4 plus 36, which is 12, 4, 16, 3, 19 by 8 plus 1, 9, which is 3, 36, 4, 40 plus 9, 49, root 49 is 7. So, it is 19 by 21, which is again positive value. So, we have cos theta is 19 by 21. So, what is theta? Cos inverse of 19 by 21. So, given lines in the angle between them is cos inverse of 19 by 21. Another problem, find the angle between the lines is the question. But what type of line equation another? ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചറിയാം, this is Cartesian form. Cartesian form എന്ന് find the angle between the lines ആണ് ചോദ്യം. So, Cartesian form we will write it in general form, which is x minus minus 3 by 3 equals y minus 1 by 5 equals z minus minus 3 by 4. Also, x minus minus 1 by 1 y minus 4 by 1 equals z minus 5 by 2. ഇനി കാർട്ടീഷ്യൻ ഫോം തരികയാണെങ്കിൽ ആംഗിൾ ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ദ ലൈൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് A1 A2 പ്ലസ് B1 B2 പ്ലസ് C1 C2 ബൈ ദ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ. So, what is A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2? Parallel vectors in the direction ratios അറിയണം. So, what is A1 B1 C1 from the first line? The denominator 3 5 4. What is A2 B2 C2 from the second line? The denominator again 1 1 2. Now, cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Substitute here. So, cos theta is equal to A1 A2 3 plus 5 plus 8. 3 plus 5 plus 8 by root of 9 plus 25 plus 16 into root of 1 plus 1 plus 4. So, we have 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 8 16 by 25 plus 9 34, 34 plus 16. 34 plus 16, 30, 40, 44 plus 6, 50. So, it is root 50 into root 5, 6 or it is 16 by root of 300. Can simplify again and cancel simplifying again, but it is anyway 16 by root of root 300. So, we have cos theta is 16 by root 300 or theta is cos inverse 16 by root 300, which is its angle. So, given two lines in Cartesian form, identify direction ratios of the parallel vector, substitute in the formula. So, theta is cos inverse 16 by root 300 is the angle between the given two lines.